The nature of the unseen is far more than the experience of the seen. It's far more than the experience of awareness having forms of experience, such as a person, a self, a world, a body. The nature of the unseen is unendingly more or higher reality than what is perceived to have manifest form. For instance, when you turn your attention to the infinite point within, the knowing point within, you've stepped beyond perception. You will not be able to perceive the knower. You can only know the knower. Perception, therefore, is from the one who is and the one who knows outward. But to know the one that knows, you have to let go of all movement of perceiving through a thought system, a body system, a personal experience. You'll have to turn your gaze inward, beyond all personalized experience. You'll have to be alone and naked. And you have to stay being there, reaching. Awake. You won't find something as you would find in perception. Although, if you're really clear, the one you're looking for is already here. Nowhere else is the one you're looking for. Nowhere. Totally intimate. Never been anywhere else.